Here, practice set 6.3, right? Question number 2 is what I'll be starting initially with, right? So, talking about question 2, children, 6.3, mein, it says construct triangle PQR such that angle P is equals to 70 degree, right? Angle R is equals to 50 degree. QR is equals to 7.3 centimeter. And then it is said that construct its circumcircle, right? So basically we need to first construct triangle PQR and then its circumcircle. And I believe to draw a triangle is not a very difficult task, isn't it? We just have to, first of all, draw the base as 7.3 centimeter. The question is, how do we draw a base of 7.3 centimeter, right? I don't have a stand today, right? Basically, you have to draw a line of any length, or just give me a moment. I'll just try and figure out to make something a stand. Just give me a minute, right? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, Yashika. Uh, I'm at a new place today, so and I reached late, so it will take a minute for me to set up things. Yeah, I'm done. I'll just zoom in so that we can see things clearly, right? Just tell me whether you people are able to see this stuff or not. Visible, right? Perfect. Yeah. So basically, the first thing which we need to do, children, is to draw QR of 7.3 centimeter, right? So I've drawn a line basically. Uh, I've drawn arrow marks showing that it is a line which can extend infinitely, right? अच्छा थोड़ा और zoom करो, right? Sure. Fair enough. Is this fine? Okay. Once we have done this, children, now we have to take 7.3 centimeter ka measure in the compass, right? So this is the compass. Uh, yeah, I have to take a 7.3 centimeter ka measure. Mm, yeah, like this. So I hope you people are understanding. Namra says it's bit blur. Uh, I hope the video is pretty much clear to all of you. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Namra might be some internet connectivity issue. So children, what have I done till now? I've just drawn a line. Then I've taken 7.3 centimeter in my compass. Then I can place the pointer anywhere on the line, right? So let's say I placed it somewhere here. And then I have to draw an arc here, right? Then I place the pointer here and draw an arc on the other side. I hope everybody has understood what have I done. I've just drawn a segment QR of length 7.3 centimeter, right? There are many students who might be thinking कि हम लोग directly QR 7.3 centimeter नहीं ले सकते क्या? ले सकते हो अगर आपके स्कूल टीचर ने directly लिया है तो. But you know what? With respect to your 10 standard, बोर्ड्स का अगर रूल्स के अकॉर्डेंस में चलोगे कभी भी अगर आपको सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करने बोला है यू हैव टू फर्स्ट ड्रॉ अ लाइन and then you have to draw two arcs, right? The measure of the baseline, since it is a line, there is no measure to it. Line goes on extending, right? So you draw a line randomly, greater than 7.3 centimeters. Samuel, I'm just repeating, pay attention, right? हमने सबसे पहले एक line draw किया approximately greater than 7.3 centimeter. I don't know the exact measure, but मैंने draw कर दिया, right? Then what I did is I took 7.3 centimeter in the compass. I placed the pointer randomly on this line, right? जैसे यहाँ पर, right? And then I've drawn an arc here. Now with this measure, I haven't changed the measure. It is still 7.3. I placed the pointer on point Q, जहाँ पे पहले arc draw किया, and then I've drawn one more arc here. So that is how I got QR as 7.3 centimeter. I hope it is clear, children. At least ये सबको समझ में आया? Perfect, right? Now what we have to do is we have to draw this angle R, which is 50 degree. So in order to draw angle R as 50 degree, yeah, I'll just take this D here. I'll place the 0 mark here, and 50 degree is an acute angle. So it has to look lesser than 90, right? Smaller than 90 towards the left. So R say, I've just drawn this measure, which is how much? 50 degree. Now, children, there is one small problem here. If you people have noticed, let us understand what problem exactly. Angle P का value 70 degree दिया है. Do we know where exactly is this point P on this line? We do not know it, isn't it? हमको नहीं पता point P यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर है. Where? Right? So, how do we locate point P? The answer is very simple. We have to start with analysis. Perfect. Angle sum property of the triangle. Shruti, that is correct. So एक छोटा सा part आपको लिखना पड़ेगा that we can call it as analysis. Something needed to complete the main figure, right? Now, what analysis do we have to write here exactly? In triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. It is nothing but angle sum property of a triangle, right? Now, P ka value is given to us as 70. Here, P ka value is 70. So 70 degree plus Q ka value, we don't know it, plus angle R, children, is nothing but 50 degree is equals to 180 degree. So now we have to first find the third angle. Yeah, correct. Absolutely correct. So 70 plus 50 is 120 degrees plus angle Q is 180 degree. So I'll be shifting 120 on the other side, which is Q is equals to 180 minus 120 degree. And therefore angle Q is nothing but 60 degrees. Now children, since I know angle Q ka value is 60 degrees, what I'll have to do is I'll have to just place the pointer, the 0 mark at Q, and I'll have to mark the measure as 60 degree, right? Angle Q. Again, it is an acute angle, so has to look smaller than 90, something like this. Now, wherever these 2 points they meet, these two lines they meet, that will be point P, and by default, the measure of point P has to be 70 degree. I hope that is clear. So that is how we draw the triangle. So I request all the kids to at least go ahead, draw the triangle and copy the analysis, right? Yeah. I hope the figure and the most part of the analysis is visible, right? Just let me know once you people are done. Do not forget to put arrows on both the sides of the line. Wow, Ishan has already finished it. Beautiful. Mistake on point Q. What is the mistake? Daniel wants me to zoom out. Yeah, Q is 60 degree. Perfect. You have to copy the analysis. Oh, I've written 50. Thank you. It's 60. Yeah, but I've taken the measure as 60. No, I haven't taken it as 50. I've just written it as 50. I'll just check though. It's 60. Only thing was I've written it as 50. Arya says the analysis isn't clear. Can you just zoom out? Yeah, I will. Yeah, yeah. The analysis is quite simple though. P plus Q plus R is equals to 180. Angle sum property of a triangle. Then you substitute the values, you add and you subtract from 180, you get the answer as 60 degree. Yeah, perfect. P70 ही मिलेगा by default. Correct as well. Sanskriti, definitely. You just let me know wherever you want me to stop. स्लो फास्ट सब टेंशन मत ले, हम लोग साथ में करेंगे, बट यू हैव टू टॉक टू मी देन. इफ यू फील कि यहाँ पर आप पीछे रह गए हो एंड आई हैव बीन मूविंग अहेड, जस्ट आस्क me to stop, right? Or ask me to explain the thing again. So Sanskriti, you've understood this part, the analysis and the main figure. Yeah, Kanika is finished writing. Now I'll just zoom on to the main figure because I'll be needing only that part. Yeah. Yeah. Now, the question says, apart from drawing or constructing the triangle, we also need to, yeah, Daniel, what are you copying, child? The main figure or this thing? Okay, the main figures. Just let me know once you are done. हाँ, सर्कल में ट्राइंगल आ जाता है, ट्राइंगल में सर्कल आ जाता है. ज्योमेट्री है, किधर भी कुछ भी आता है. That is how it happens. Okay, now, sir, can you re-explain Q part? मतलब क्या था क्यू पार्ट? सिर्फ तीनों एंगल को ऐड किया बेटा तो 180. ठीक है, तो वहां से एंगल क्यू मिला. यस, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द रफ फिगर विच आई विल बी डूइंग इट एट द एंड. या मैं बताता हूँ. सो हम सर्कम सर्कल का मीनिंग मैंने लास्ट टाइम बताया था. आई विल रिपीट इट वंस अगेन. आई होप एवरीबडी हैज एटलीस्ट ड्रॉन द ट्राइंगल्स, राइट? नाउ मूविंग अहेड, सिंस सर्कम सर्कल कंस्ट्रक्ट करने बोला है, राइट? तो सर्कम सर्कल का मतलब एक ऐसा सर्कल होता है which touches all the three vertices of a triangle. So this beautiful circle right here is known as circum circle, right? And the center of this circle, we call it as circumcenter. Now if you kids remember, last class में ना circumcenter करके एक term हमने study किया था. It was nothing but point of concurrence. Can anybody help me? It was point of concurrence of what exactly? If you remember the last lecture. Nahi, Daniel is wrong. He says it is altitude. Namra is also wrong. Altitudes का ortho center था. Royens is correct. Daniel again is wrong. Namra again is wrong. Soham is wrong. Shruti is wrong. Riddhi is wrong. Jash is wrong. There was only one kid who was correct till now. लिखा है, अगर आप लोगों ने पेजेस टर्न करो, लेट मी नो व्हाट द आंसर इज. सर्कम सेंटर इज द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करेंस ऑफ. या डैनियल नाउ इज करेक्ट. रेजल इज इनकरेक्ट. देविदयाल हनी तोलानी इज इनकरेक्ट. I'll tell you the answer is perpendicular bisectors. Perpendicular bisector. तो अभी से ना दिमाग में बिठा लो. क्वेश्चन में अगर पूछा कि ड्रॉ द सर्कम सर्कल या कंस्ट्रक्ट सर्कम सर्कल, तो अगर सर्कम सर्कल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है तो बेसिकली क्या ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा? परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. दैट यू मे कंसिडर इट एज द हिंट, राइट? तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन में जहां पे आपको सर्कम सर्कल कंस्ट्रक्ट करने बोला है, बेसिकली व्हाट वी नीड टू ड्रॉ इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. नाउ आई होप एवरीबडी नोज हाउ टू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. इन केस अगर आपको नहीं पता है, yeah, Daniel, I'll show the analysis. It is right here. Don't worry about that. As of now, kindly focus on the main construction part, which I won't be repeating again, right? So in order to draw perpendicular bisector, let's say मैं QR का perpendicular bisector draw करने के aim में हूँ. So I've placed the pointer of my compass on point R, and I've taken the measure in the compass randomly smaller than QR. ठीक है, लेकिन more than half, आधे से थोड़ा ज्यादा लिया और QR से छोटा, right? So the condition is it has to be more than half of QR. और एक बार आपने more than half लिया, फिर ऊपर की तरफ एक arc and the same measure नीचे की तरफ एक arc, right? Then I don't change this measure, means the measure will remain same, and I place the pointer on point Q, right? Once I placed it here, I draw intersecting arc. Coincidentally here you can see the intersecting arc is kind of, you know, overmatching with the side of the triangle. That might happen with you all as well, right? So this point and this point I have to connect, children, and as soon as I connect it, I mark a perpendicular symbol and equal marking. Let's say the name of the line is L. So basically what I have done is I've drawn L perpendicular bisector for QR. L is nothing but the perpendicular bisector for QR. I hope everybody has understood how to draw a perpendicular bisector for QR. I want you all to do the same. If there are any difficulties, just let me know. I'm waiting for you all to draw a perpendicular bisector of QR. Soham has already finished it from Ghatkopar. Ishan has finished it. Daniel has finished it. Wow. Parth has finished it. Aditi has finished it. Wow. Mansi has completed. Samuel has completed it. Good. Ayush has Sadan. Very good. Okay. So assuming most of the kids have understood how to draw perpendicular bisector for a particular segment. Now, remember, in order to draw a circumcircle, a minimum of two perpendicular bisectors are to be drawn. ठीक है, कम से कम दो perpendicular bisector draw करना. I have drawn one already. Now there are two more sides left. PR भी बचा है, PQ भी बचा है, right? So we have, yeah, I'll show it at the end. So we have to, select any one and draw perpendicular bisector for anyone, right? Let's say I select PQ. You could have also selected PR. That is your choice. So I'll place the pointer on Q randomly, right? I'll take the measure sorry, there was some internet connection issue. The Wi-Fi here just got stopped. I hope you kids are able to hear me now, right? Yeah, I know the Wi-Fi got disconnected due to some reason. Just let me again kind of, yeah, zoom in. So able to see this figure? Yes, yes, perfect, perfect. So children, once I've drawn the perpendicular bisector for QR, what I said was, in order to draw a circumcircle, a minimum of two perpendicular bisectors are needed. So now there are two options. Once we are done with QR, there are two options left. Either I can go ahead with PQ or I can go ahead with PR. I went ahead with PQ. Now PQ के लिए I placed the pointer on Q. I took the measure as more than half और दोनों तरफ arc draw किया. लाइन के एक तरफ, लाइन के दूसरे तरफ. Now with the same measure, I place the pointer on point P and I draw the intersecting arcs. Right? So this point and the the other point where they met, basically the point of intersections, I'll just draw a beautiful line, something like this. Right? Again, I have to show a 90-degree and equal marking. Now remember, if you have shown double markings here, you have to show some other sort of marking, right? Arya says the screen and voice were not clear. So just let me know whether my voice is clear enough or you people are able to understand or not. It's clear. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah. So I've drawn two perpendicular bisectors. Now, जो perpendicular bisectors है, उनका point of intersection यानी point of concurrence is nothing but the circumcenter, which we call it as C, right? So children, we have got C. अच्छा अब just forget this triangle and tell me, in order to draw a circle, हम लोग को क्या क्या required होता है, ठीक है? एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए इन जनरल क्या क्या रिक्वायर्ड होता है? Somebody says a radius, somebody says a center. Perfect. These are the only two things which we need. I'll just jot those down. First we need is a center. Second we need is a radius. अगर ये दो चीज मुझे पता है, I can very easily draw any circle, right? Now in order to draw the circumcircle, we need circumcenter, right? We need circumcenter. तो circumcenter मिल चुका है, मतलब I have the center. नाउ टॉक अबाउट द रेडियस चिल्ड्रन. अगर सर्कमसेंटर पता है और ट्राइंगल का एक भी वर्टेक्स पता है, नाउ सिंस सर्कम सर्कल इज अ सर्कल व्हिच पासेस थ्रू ऑल द पॉइंट्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल, कैन आई स्टेट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ द ट्राइंगल बेसिकली लाइज ऑन द सर्कल? मतलब ये दोनों के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है वो रेडियस होने वाला है. यस या नो? परफेक्ट. सो सेंटर है हमारे पास. सेंटर से लेके सर्कल के ऊपर एक पॉइंट है. इट कैन बी आइदर पी, क्यू और आर, वट एवर यू वांट. सो प्लेस द पॉइंटर ऑफ योर कंपास ऑन पॉइंट सी. टेक द मेजर as either CP, right? Either CP or CQ or CR. It is your choice. आप कोई भी मेजर ले लो, right? तीनों सेम ही आने चाहिए. And if all the three are same, you have drawn the circle correctly. Right? Something like this. There is a small error here. That is human error. And इसके लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपका half mark reduce होगा एग्जाम में. So don't worry about that. वो कभी करेक्ट आता है, कभी नहीं. It depends upon the instruments as well. Yeah, बहुत बच्चों को perfect भी आया होगा, किसी किसी को minor error आ जाता है. That is absolutely okay. Don't worry about that. Right? So here is the main figure and here is the analysis. All the kids can just copy. Yeah, we can make 3 bisectors. That is absolutely fine, but वो waste of time हो जाएगा. Basically तीनों bisector एक ही point पे meet होते हैं. So as I said, a minimum of 2 perpendicular bisectors are needed. Maximum 3 बना सकता है. That is your wish. If you have much time, you can do that. So I hope everybody has learned how to draw the circumcircle. Nobody has asked how much is the radius. You don't have to draw the radius. It's absolutely fine. Yeah. I had a small mistake here. थोड़ा सा ऊपर से गया, but ये दोनों point perfect आया. Do you want me to raise my voice? Namra, am I audible now to you? या और जोर से चिल्लाओ? A bit. Oh my God. Yeah, I'll just try that. Daniel, I hope you have copied the analysis part as well. You were requesting for same. Yeah, perfect. So now I'll just move on to the next part and the last part basically. Yashika says how you got the circle. Yashika, as I have written things here as well, in order to draw a circle, we need two things, center and radius. Now, Yashika, if you remember, circumcircle का जो center होता है, उसको हम circumcenter बोलते हैं, which we have already located here. ये जो दो perpendicular bisectors है, वो जहां पे मीट होते हैं, उस पॉइंट को circumcenter बोलते हैं, राइट? तो सेंटर मिल चुका है. टॉकिंग अबाउट रेडियस, रेडियस क्या है? देख, सर्कम सर्कल क्या होता है? जो ट्रायंगल के वर्टाइसेस से पास होता है. हेंस सेंटर से लेके कोई भी एक वर्टाइसेस तक आप डिस्टेंस ले लो, दैट वुड बी नथिंग बट द that would be nothing but the radius. So C पे रखा pointer, I've taken the measure as CQ and I've drawn a beautiful circle, and that circle has to pass through Q, R and P. Perfect. And Samuel, you are correct, by the way. The next sum will be talking about inner circle, right? That is in circle. I don't know what the child. Yeah, you have to draw the analytical figure, which has to look something like this. एक छोटा सा फिगर बना देने का ट्राइंगल और उधर आजू बाजू में सर्कल, या ड्रॉ अ सर्कल फर्स्ट और फिर उसके अंदर ट्राइंगल, राइट? आई होप एवरीबडी कैन डू दैट. एक बार मेन फिगर आ गया तो बाजू में एक रफ फिगर बना देने. हाँ, 9th स्टैंडर्ड में कोई कोई स्कूल टीचर मना कर देते हैं रफ फिगर के लिए, तो दैट इज अप टू द स्कूल एंड द स्कूल टीचर. बोर्ड्स में कंपल्सरीली रफ फिगर रिक्वायर्ड होता है 10th स्टैंडर्ड में. So now I'll just go ahead with question number 1, practice set 6.3. It says construct triangle ABC, right? Wherein angle B is equals to 100 degrees, BC is equals to 6.4 centimeter, and angle C is equals to 50 degrees. Construct its incircle. So we need to construct an incircle here. Before that, yeah, this is the second sum, Daniel, which we are doing today. एक सम हमने सर्कम सर्कल का किया, अब एक इन सर्कल का करेंगे. फिर भी अगर टाइम बचेगा तो दोनों में से एक वापस रिपीट करेंगे, एंड ऑल द अदर सम्स आई विल बी गिविंग इट एज एन आइदर असाइनमेंट और होमवर्क, राइट? Because our aim is to learn how to construct incircle and circumcircle. So we have learned how to draw a circumcircle. Now we'll be talking about an incircle. So I've drawn a line randomly of a measure approximately greater than 6.4, right? Then I'll just take this compass and I'll take the measure of 6.4 in it. So I've taken a measure of 6.4 in the compass. I'll place it somewhere on the line. Incircle means circle will come inside the triangle. Yes, the incircle child has to look something like this. If I try to draw a rough figure, जैसे ये triangle है, तो एक सर्कल जो ट्रायंगल के साइड्स को टच करता है, ऐसे सर्कल को बोला जाता है इन सर्कल. क्या बोलते हैं? इन सर्कल. एंड इट इज यूजुअली डिनोटेड बाय आई. एंड इफ यू रिमेंबर इन द लास्ट क्लास वी स्पोक दैट आई, दैट इज इन सेंटर, is nothing but the point of concurrence of angle bisectors. मतलब this time the hint is to draw in circle you have to draw angle bisectors, right? अब ये कैसे ड्रॉ करना है हम लोग थोड़े टाइम के बाद डिस्कस करेंगे, बट ये आपको याद रखना है. अगर सर्कम सर्कल ड्रॉ करने बोला तो क्या ड्रॉ करने का? परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. इन सर्कल ड्रॉ करने बोला तो क्या ड्रॉ करने का? एंगल बाइसेक्टर, राइट? नाउ I've taken a measure of 6.4 centimeter in the compass. I'll place it somewhere on the line. It is randomly. The point has been selected randomly and I've just drawn an arc. Now with the same measure, I haven't changed it. I place the pointer here and draw an arc, right? So this measure, children, is nothing but 6.4 centimeter, and the name of this can be given as BC, right? Any doubts till this point? Yeah, no. Now, Angle B is nothing but 100 degrees. Okay, so 100 degree has to be greater than 90. So it has to go in this direction, somewhere here, right? So angle B is 100 degrees. Yeah. So I've drawn a measure of 100 degrees. Angle C is 50 degrees. So C say 50 degree. Since it is smaller than 90, it has to be on the inner side of this angle, that is here. So I'll have to extend the line, both the lines, because they are not intersecting here. So I'll just place the scale, extend it, as well as I'll place the scale once again and extend it. Something like this. So BC and this point is A, C is 50 degree. I request you all to just draw this figure. So now since you know A is a point which would be somewhere in the upward direction, you can try to draw the figure at the bottom. Yeah, Soham, after 100 degree, what I did is I just took 50 degree at angle C and then I extended this line and this line. दोनों को जहां पे intersect किया वो है point A, right? Hope Soham you've understood it. Yeah. Children, request you all to complete this triangle, and once you people are done, just let me know. Wow, Shruti has finished it. Rezul has also finished it. Samuel, sir, can you tell how you got the base again? See, the base is quite simple, child. First, you draw a line of random measure, right? Then you take 6.4 centimeter ka measure in your compass. You place the pointer randomly anywhere on the line. Just say I placed it here. And then you draw an arc. That measure was 6.4 जहाँ पे हमने arc draw किया. Now I just place the pointer here जहाँ पे arc draw किया. And then I draw an arc here. वापस जहाँ पे पहले pointer रखा था वहाँ पे arc draw करेंगे. That is how I get the base BC. Then angle B 100, angle C 50. Right? Now, we need to learn how to draw angle bisect. Sorry, how to draw in circle. For which we need to learn how to draw angle bisectors. तो ध्यान से देखना angle bisector कैसे draw करना है. Yeah, I'll just go very, very, very slow, but I want you kids to pay attention. जो बच्चों का अभी तक triangle draw करके नहीं हुआ है, don't worry about that. Pay attention here first, because बार बार repeat में तो मुझे करना पड़ेगा बाद में, right? So, in order to draw angle bisector of angle B, what I did is I took a random measure in the compass, right? एक random सा measure लिया, and I've drawn an arc here on AB, as well as with the same measure I've drawn an arc here on BC, right? I hope इतना सबको समझा है. I took a random measure, I placed the pointer on point B, and I've drawn two arcs on the sides of the angle. Now with the same measure, once again, I place the pointer where I've driven the arcs, right? And then I draw one more arc. Now with the same measure again, I place it here, जहाँ पे एक और arc हमने draw किया था, right? This side. And then I draw an intersecting arc. I hope it is clear. Total चार arcs draw करना है. B पे रखा, यहाँ पर, फिर यहाँ से इधर और यहाँ से इधर. Then I join this point with B, and that is how I get the angle bisector. So this part and this part are equal. I've shown two circles, that means identical marking. ये दिखाना compulsory हो जाता है, identical marking. So I hope everybody has understood how to draw an angle bisector. In case any kids, sir, can you please explain the angle bisector again? Yeah, sure. Harshit, it is quite simple. What I did, child, is I took the compass. इसमें कोई तो एक random measure लिया. I placed it on B. यहाँ पर एक आर्क दिख रहा है, राइट? फिर वो सेम मेजर यहाँ पे एक आर्क. Now with the same measure, I placed it on the arc which I have drawn earlier, and then यहाँ पे एक arc draw किया. Again with the same measure, I placed the pointer here, and I've drawn the intersecting arc. Niti says everything you understood. Yeah, it can be any measure, Arya, this time. यहाँ पे less than half, more than half कुछ फंडा नहीं है. वो less than more than half वाला फंडा is for perpendicular bisector. For angle bisectors there is no criteria. You can take any random measure if you want. ऐसा भी ले सकता है, but बाद में इधर इधर और फिर वो आर्क इधर आ जाएगा. मतलब ये सेम लाइन का पॉइंट तुझे यहाँ पे किधर मिलेगा. Okay, right, Nidhi. So I've drawn angle bisector for B, but in order to get in circle, right, minimum दो angle bisectors required है. Again, I have two options. A का angle bisector draw कर सकते हैं, C का भी कर सकते हैं. I'll do it for C, right? So again, I change the measure. I could have kept it same, right? So I just change the measure. Now this measure, I place it on point C, and I've drawn an arc. तो इधर भी एक आर्क ड्रॉ किया, इधर भी एक आर्क ड्रॉ किया, राइट? Now with the same measure, I place the pointer here and draw an arc, right? And place the pointer here and draw an arc. So do not get confused because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे arcs है. आपको ध्यान रखना है वो कौन से arcs थे, right? So, and then I'll just draw two crosses here, one cross, two cross. I've drawn two circles here. I've drawn two crosses here to show that they are angle bisector. Now the point of intersection or the point where they meet, the point of concurrence is denoted by I. I मतलब होता है in center. क्या होता है? In center. Now once again to draw a circle, it can be any kind of circle. जैसे यहाँ पे in circle draw करना है, तो to draw in circle we need two things. One, उसका center, which we call it as in center. We have got it. I मिल चुका है, right? Second, the radius. अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि यहाँ पर रेडियस नहीं मिला है अभी तक, राइट? देयर आर मेनी किड्स, बिलीव मी, जो एग्जाम में क्या करते हैं कि आई पे पॉइंटर रखते हैं, दे टेक द मेजर रैंडमली लाइक दिस, ये साइड तक एक मेजर ले लेते हैं और सर्कल घुमा देते हैं. Even if the circle touches the three sides of the triangle, still you will lose 1 mark, children, because radius जो है वो आप लोग एक एस्टिमेटेड ले रहे हो, एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू नहीं ले रहे हो. तो इन ऑर्डर टू गेट अ एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू ऑफ रेडियस, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम आई ऑन द बेस, और इट कुड बी एनी ऑफ द साइड. मतलब बीसी के ऊपर एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ. क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर. ध्यान देना, बहुत बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं इधर, राइट? सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू स्टॉप वेर एवर यू आर. या डेफिनेटली प्राप्ति, आई एम ट्राइंग टू स्पीक लाउडली. एम आई ऑडिबल नाउ, प्राप्ति? This voice fair enough of mine? Yeah. So what I was trying to say, children, is that परपेंडिकुलर जो ड्रॉ करना है वो प्रोसेस थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता है बच्चों को. सो आई वांट यू ऑल टू पे अटेंशन. व्हाट? एबी का बाइसेक्टर बीसी से छोटा लिया तो चलेगा क्या? मतलब आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टूड द स्टेटमेंट जो बच्चे ने पूछा था. यू मीन दिस मेजर? द किड हु आस्क्ड, सर एबी का एंगल बाइसेक्टर बीसी से छोटा लिया तो चलेगा क्या? हर्षित, इसका मतलब क्या है? वो मीनिंगलेस स्टेटमेंट लग रहा है मुझे. मतलब तेरा क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ पा रहा हूं मैं. आर यू ट्राइंग टू स्टेट दैट ये जो मेजर है वो छोटा लिया यहाँ पर तो चलेगा क्या? क्योंकि एंगल बाइसेक्टर छोड़, हाँ, तो आई मेंशन्ड इट ना, इट कैन बी एनी रैंडम मेजर. यहाँ पर भी रैंडम, तेरे को चाहिए तो बड़ा ले, तेरे को चाहिए तो छोटा ले. यहाँ पर भी रैंडम, बड़ा या छोटा, राइट? या वैष्णवी, यू डोंट हैव टू रेज हैंड चाइल्ड, जस्ट आस्क मी. जो भी क्वेश्चन है मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख करके भेजो, आई विल जस्ट आंसर टू इट. सो हाउ टू ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर? सी, लिसन, सब लोग सिर्फ इधर ध्यान देना. I placed the pointer on point I, and then I've taken a random measure such that I'm able to draw a beautiful smile. See, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to draw a smile, something like this. दिखाई दे रहा है सबको एक smile? Vaishnavi, can you just lower your hand, child? If you have doubt, you can just ask me, Vaishnavi from Vikroli. Right. Thank you so much. So this is how I've drawn a smile. I hope it is clear. Now this measure can be any random measure. छोटा स्माइल भी बना सकते हो, एकदम बड़ा भी बना सकते हो, मीडियम साइज जो मैंने बनाया, that is up to you all. Any size is absolutely fine. Now this smile, I'm interested in those 2 points, this point and this point right here, जहां पे ये स्माइल इस लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट करता है, right? Now, I place the pointer here. I hope pretty much clear. Yeah, perpendicular bisector जैसा more than half लिया, लेकिन more than half किसका? ये जो स्माइल का मैंने जो अभी अभी पॉइंट्स मार्क किया था ना, उसका more than half. ठीक है? Then नीचे की तरफ एक arc. I don't have to draw an arc in the upward direction because I already have a point here. So I've just drawn an arc in the downward direction. Now with the same measure, I place it here, right? जहाँ पे स्माइल का पहला पॉइंट था, and I draw an intersecting line, arc. I connect this point with I. So this is a perpendicular. You may give it any name. I've just given this point a name M. So radius, children, which I've written question mark earlier, now I found the radius, it is IM, right? So I have the center, I have the radius, I just have to draw the circle. वो कैसे? सेंटर के ऊपर रखा मैंने कंपास, और रेडियस का जो मेजरमेंट है वो मैंने कंपास में ले लिया, which is IM, right? Something like this. दिख रहा है? हर्षित बेटा, पॉइंटर मैंने आई पर रखा, स्माइल ड्रॉ किया, फिर ये स्माइल के ये पॉइंट पे रखा, मोर देन हाफ लिया, इधर एक आर्क विद द सेम मेजर, पॉइंटर यहाँ पर रखा जहां पे ये स्माइल लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट करता है, और एक और लाइन, देन आई हैव कनेक्टेड एंड आई हैव गॉट आई एम. नाउ वंस आई हैव गॉट आई एम, हर्षित, place the pointer on I, take the measure of IM, right? Take the measure of IM and draw a circle. If that circle will touch all the three sides of the circle, sorry, three sides of the triangle, then the figure is correct. And mine is absolutely correct. See, it is touching here, here and here as well. तीनों जगह पे टच हो रहा है, राइट? अगर कहीं पे थोड़ा भी एरर्स आता है, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, बिकॉज यू वोंट लूज द एंटायर मार्क्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आता है, यू विल स्टिल गेट 2.5 अगर स्लाइट एरर कहीं पे हो जाता है तो, राइट? No, you cannot draw 90 degree directly, Arya. You have to draw the smile in this part. हाँ, कोई कोई स्कूल्स में स्माइल के बदले सिर्फ 2 आर्क दिखाते हैं, सो दैट इज नॉट अ डिफरेंस, ह्यूज डिफरेंस. 2 आर्क ड्रॉ करो या स्माइल, इट इज योर चॉइस. आई प्रेफर द स्माइल बिकॉज दैट इज हाउ यू ऑल रिमेम्बर इट. वो इजी हो जाता है याद रखने में कि स्माइल ड्रॉ करना है, नहीं तो 1 मार्क कट हो जाएगा वैसे, राइट? एनी डाउट्स इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सम? वाओ. So I believe we have studied how to draw a encircle, and yeah, Ishan, you will lose half a mark. Try it once again later on. सर्कल कैसे ड्रॉ करना है, प्लीज शो अगेन. हर्षित, इट इज वेरी सिंपल. पॉइंटर आई पे रख, कंपास का आई एम मेजर ले, और सर्कल ड्रॉ कर. या तीर्थ, आई विल बी कमिंग टू दैट पार्ट, डोंट वरी. So children, we have completed first and second sum जहाँ पे इन सर्कल और सर्कम सर्कल ड्रॉ करना था. थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ, दे आर वेरी सिंपल सम्स. थर्ड में इन सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है, फोर्थ में सर्कम सर्कल, फिफ्थ में सर्कम सर्कल. आई होप यू ऑल विल बी एबल टू डू दैट, राइट? So there are 3 sums given to you all as homework, right? No, none of the sum has analysis. सिर्फ एक sum में analysis था जो हमने already कर दिया है, right? बाकी कोई भी सब में एनालिसिस नहीं है सर. ओ ड्रिव द सर्कल, इट इज टचिंग टू साइड बट मिसिंग वन साइड बाय लिटिल बिट, आई टर्न ऑन द वीडियो. हाँ, वो अगर मिस होता है तो यू लूज हाफ अ मार्क. आई कैन नॉट फाइंड द एरर जस्ट बाय लुकिंग एट द स्क्रीन. Rather than repeating circumcircle, the child who requested, आज शाम तक या कल शाम तक आपको ये रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर का लिंक मिल जाएगा. सो यू कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू एंड एटलीस्ट वॉच जस्ट द पार्ट वेयर आई विल बी टीचिंग सर्कम सर्कल. तो आपके लिए वो रिपीट भी हो जाएगा. स्टिल इफ द डाउट परसिस्ट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास यू मे आस्क मी, राइट? Yeah, so I'll just stop the lecture because we are done with the chapter. There is no point in dragging the lecture, right? I've completed question 5, 6, 4. Everything has been completed. ये दोनों अपने syllabus में नहीं है, second and third problem set का, क्योंकि यहाँ पे दोनों कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, सर्कम सर्कल एंड इन सर्कल, सर्कम सर्कल एंड इन सर्कल. तो ये पार्ट निकाल दिया है बेसिकली. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव इन द सिलेबस, राइट? Somebody says एक बार एनालिसिस दिखाओ ना. Yeah, I'll just show the analysis. There is here. Please show answer one of problem set 6.3. What? Answer one. Okay, children. I request those kids who have any doubts, they can just directly reach out to me on WhatsApp. You'll have to first contact to your center heads in order to reach, right? Yeah, thank you so much, and God bless you all. So I've completed chapter number 6. That's it.